Hi, I'm Shani Darden. I'm a celebrity esthetician and the founder of Shani Darden Skincare. My signature facial has always included 10 minutes of vibration therapy. Now, with the introduction of my Facial Sculpting Wand, anyone can experience the benefits of vibration therapy and achieve a more youthful looking appearance. Today, Emily is going to walk you through my full facial sculpting wand routine I use to firm and contour the face and neck.
Hi, I'm Emily and I'm an esthetician at Shani Darden Studio. We use the Shani Darden facial sculpting wands in all of our treatments and we're so excited that you get to use one at home. So first we're going to start by pulling our hair back, and you'll also want to start with clean skin. Before we begin, you're going to need your Shani Darden facial sculpting wand, your disc attachment, precision ball attachment, and tube of hydroprep gel. Our treatment will start with the right side of the face and proceed to the left side of the face, and then we'll end with the eye and lip areas. To start, we're going to prep the skin with a layer of the Shani Darden hydroprep gel. You'll apply a thin layer to the right side of the face. You'll just need a dime-sized amount. Apply to the cheek, forehead, chin area, and make sure you get enough down onto the neck. We're going to use the disc attachment to begin our treatment, so make sure it's secured to your facial sculpting wand. You'll hear a click when it locks into place. You can increase the intensity by pressing the intensity button above the power button. We always suggest starting with the low intensity and then increasing it to medium or high based on your own comfort. You can also lower the vibration frequency from 100% to 50% by pressing the power button a second time depending on your comfort level. Let's start our treatment by placing the wand on the right side of the neck, just above the collarbone, and gliding the wand upward to the jawline. You'll want to go slowly. Don't apply too much pressure on the neck and let the weight of the wand guide you as you glide upward. Next, place the wand at the base of the neck, like so, and slowly glide the wand upward from the base of the neck to the jawline. You'll then place the wand just above the collarbone and glide it upward, all the way to the earlobe. You're going to repeat these steps 3 times for the best results. For the final step on the right side of the neck, place the wand beneath the chin and slowly glide upward to just underneath the chin. Repeat each movement 3 times. Just be careful not to apply it directly on the larynx, which is right here. Moving on to the cheek and jawline, place the wand at the center of the chin and slowly glide the wand toward the ear. As you glide the wand toward the ear, use small circular motions like so. Next, you're going to place the wand at the corner of the mouth and slowly glide it in an upwards motion towards the ear, using the same circular motions. This helps to lift and sculpt the cheekbone. Then place the wand at the side of the nose like so, and slowly glide the wand along to the top of the cheekbone towards the hairline, using tiny circular motions. You're going to repeat each movement 3 times. Next, we're going to move on to treat the forehead. Place the wand just above the eyebrow and then slowly glide it up towards the hairline. Again, don't apply too much pressure on the forehead and let the weight of the wand guide you as you glide it upwards. Go slowly. Now, position the wand just above the arch of the brow and slowly glide it in an upward motion towards the hairline. Now place the wand at the thinnest point of the brow and glide the wand upwards towards the hairline. Repeat each movement 3 times. Now we're going to target the area with diagonal motions. Place the disc attachment just above the arch of the brow and glide upward diagonally towards hairline. Place the disc attachment just above the arch of the brow and glide upward diagonally towards the hairline. Now, place the disc attachment just above the thin of the brow and glide upward diagonally towards the hairline. Repeat each movement 3 times. Now it's time to prep the left side of the face with a layer of hydroprep gel, applying it to the neck, jawline, cheek, and forehead. You're going to repeat the whole sequence on the left side of the face, starting with the neck and jawline, moving up to the cheek area, and finishing with the forehead. After you've finished treating the left half of your face, It's time to switch out the disc attachment for the precision ball attachment. This attachment is great for treating smaller areas when we're targeting crow's feet, the nasolabial lines, and the mouth. To remove the disc attachment, power off your wand and twist and pull the disc attachment off of your wand. Place the precision ball attachment on the wand and check that it's securely in its place. You'll hear a little click. Using the precision ball attachment, we're going to target the upper lip and nasolabial lines. Go ahead and apply a thin layer of hydroprep gel to the upper lip area if needed. Now, starting from the left corner of the lip, glide the wand over your lip, moving across from the left corner to the right corner. Don't apply too much pressure on the lip, and let the weight of the wand guide you as you glide it across the lips. Go slowly. Repeat the movement 3 times for optimal results. Next, we're going to treat the nasolabial lines around this area right here. They're also referred to as laugh lines. Place the wand at the corner of the mouth at the bottom of the nasolabial line and glide upwards slowly, smoothing out the laugh lines in that region. Now repeat the movement 3 times on the left edge of your mouth. We're going to finish our treatment with the eye area. Apply a layer of the hydroprep gel to the left brow bone and under the eye area. Again, using the precision ball attachment, place the device under the left eye, just under the inner corner of the eye, and glide slowly outward toward the outer corner of the eye. This is great for lymphatic drainage as well. You'll follow the orbital bone and make sure not to get too close to your eye. Again, don't apply too much pressure to this eye area and let the weight of the wand guide you as you glide it across the orbital bone. And go slowly. This helps to target any crow's feet. Next, place the device underneath the brow, above the eye, just above the inner corner near the bridge of your nose, and glide outward while lifting at the same time. Repeat each movement 3 times. Apply a layer of hydroprep gel to the left eye area and repeat these 3 movements 3 times. When you're finished, use your fingertips and massage any excess hydroprep gel into your skin.